The Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is 1/5 of the Earth's total area and is the second largest ocean in the world. Today's episode of Amaze World will tell you about it. We will try to find the secret of the mysterious diversity of the Atlantic Ocean. If you are new to our channel, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. Thank you for doing so. The Atlantic Ocean, the earliest mention of this ocean, was found around the 6th century BC. The idea is that it is from the Old World to the New World. The formation of the Atlantic Ocean began in the Jurassic period. The Atlantic Ocean is east of Europe and Africa. To the west lies the elongated, S-shaped basin in the middle of the Americas. As part of the interconnected world ocean, it is bounded on the north by the Arctic Ocean, on the southwest by the Pacific Ocean, on the southeast by the Indian Ocean, and on the south by the Southern Ocean. Equatorial reverse currents split the Atlantic Ocean about 7 degrees north of the North Axis Ocean into the North Atlantic and South Atlantic Oceans. Its area is 106.46 million. Its average depth is 10,925 feet. The Puerto Rico Trench is the deepest part of the ocean. Its total area is 27,493 feet. The bottom of the Atlantic Ocean consists of a dense mafic oceanic crust composed of basalt and gabbro and fine clay, silt, and silica deposits. The continental edge has less density. However, there are thick felsic continental rocks that are much older than the seafloor. Greenland is the largest island in the Atlantic Ocean. Outside of the 133 countries directly on the shores of the Atlantic Ocean, several other countries use the ocean to travel and trade. Strategic waterways for access to the Atlantic Ocean include the Kiel Canal in Germany, the Øresund Strait between Denmark and Sweden, the Bosphorus Strait in Turkey, the Strait of Gibraltar between Spain and Morocco, and St. Lawrence Strait in Canada. There are several seas and bays in the Atlantic Ocean. These include the Baltic Sea, the Black Sea, the North Sea, the Norwegian Sea, the Mediterranean Sea, the Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico. The waters of major rivers, such as the Amazon River, the Mississippi River, the Rio de Plata, the Niger, the Congo, and the Rhine, flow directly or indirectly into the ocean. A narrow waterway that connects two seas or two large bodies of water is called a strait. There are multiple straits in the Atlantic Ocean. The Denmark Strait, the Magellan Strait, the Florida Strait, and the Dover Strait. The Dover Strait between England and France is the busiest sea route in the world. About 400 commercial ships are traveling here every day. The Atlantic Ocean is famous for its abundance of natural resources. The ocean has made a significant contribution to the economic development of the countries bordering the Atlantic. The North Sea, the Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico are rich in natural gas, crude oil, and precious stones. The Florida Strait between Cuba and the Kiss Islands is famous for its petroleum and natural gas. The North Cuba Basin of the Florida Strait can hold about 87 million cubic meters of petroleum oil and 9.8 trillion cubic meters of natural gas. There are also gold mines in the Atlantic Ocean. But effective ways to make it commercially viable have not yet been discovered. Of the Atlantic Ocean for the abundance of fishery resources, there is quite a reputation. The Atlantic Ocean ranks second in terms of marine fisheries resources. About 25% of the world's fish come from the Atlantic Ocean. The Caribbean coast, Florida Beach and Miami Beach have developed huge lucrative tourism industries based on the beauty of the Atlantic. The waters of the other oceans are blue, but the waters of the Atlantic are green. At the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean, a kind of yellow pigment is emitted from a dead aquatic plant and mixed with the sea to make the water green. In the Atlantic waters, the green color is more diffused, so the watercolor of the Atlantic Ocean looks green instead of blue. The waters of the Atlantic are highly saline. The Atlantic Ocean plays a vital role in world trade. There is no alternative to the Atlantic when it comes to shipping American goods with Europe by sea. Similarly, the Atlantic Ocean is crucial for America's trade with Asia and Africa. The Atlantic Ocean is known to be one of the sources of solid cyclones. Hurricanes are more prevalent in the western part of the North Atlantic in summer and autumn. Storms usually extend from the coast of Cape Verde in Africa to the west of the Caribbean Sea. The most severe cyclone in the North Atlantic Ocean is seen in September. The mysterious Bermuda Triangle is in this ocean. There have been several shipwrecks and disappearances. Few people have not heard of Rms Titanic. It was a British passenger ship, the Royal Navy. On the 15th of April 1912, the Titanic sank in the Atlantic. The water in the Atlantic turns to ice in time and space. The Atlantic Ocean is covered by the Labrador Sea, the Baltic Sea, and the Denmark Strait. The plane crossed the Atlantic Ocean for the first time in 1919. It took 18 hours. John Alcock and Arthur Brown, two pilots, flew over the Atlantic and flew across the ocean for the first time from Canada to Ireland. Due to the high volume of shipping, various harmful chemicals are being mixed in the waters of the Atlantic, which has become a direct threat to the ocean environment and biodiversity. In addition to the commercial importance of the Atlantic Ocean, the water security risks have increased. In recent times, piracy has made the Atlantic Ocean dangerous. In 2014, about 41 merchant ships were attacked by pirates in the Gulf of Guinea. Since 2000, Somali pirates have posed a serious threat to ships plying international routes. Although the Indian Ocean and the Arabian Sea are the leading destinations for Somali pirates, ships heading to the Atlantic Ocean are also their prey. So viewers, this is today's episode with some unknown facts about the Atlantic Ocean. If you like today's video, please like, comment and share. You can also express your opinions in the comment box. God bless you.